Camera. 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP rear camera with motion autofocus, super night mode, tripod night mode, ultra stable video, bokeh portrait, multi-style portrait, stickers, 3D sound tracking, 4MP plus 8MP selfie camera. Display. 16.35 cm, 6.44-inch FHD plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution. Memory, storage and SIM. 8GB RAM, 128GB internal memory expandable, dual SIM, nano+nano, dual standby, 5G plus 4G. Operating system. Vantage OS 11 based on Android 10 operating system. Android 11 will be available through Auto Update with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G octa-core processor. Battery. 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery. 1 year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories including batteries from the date of purchase. Box also includes earphones, documentation, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter.
The V20 Pro comes in a pretty chunky box. On the back we have some of its main features mentioned, and that's about it though. Let's take this wrapping off and see what's inside. Okay, so first up we have a little cardboard sleeve with a bunch of things inside. These include a transparent silicone case. You get some manuals and of course a SIM eject tool. Then we also have the USB Type-C cable. And finally, we get to the V20 Pro itself. Now, as you can probably tell, this is the sunset melody color, which I think looks very nice. Let's put it aside for the moment and check out the rest of the contents. This is the power adapter, and it is a 33 watt flash charge 2.0 adapter.